So myself Arthur Clive, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Akshaya College of Engineering and Technology. So in these topics we are going to see about Disaster Management Act, that is 2005. So what are the acts comes under the disasters management? So in this chart we can see about, that is National Disaster Management Authority, that is the NDMA. Next, National Executive Committee. Next, State Disasters Management Authority, District Disaster Management Authority, and National Disaster Response Force. Okay. Now we are going to see about detail in one by one. First one is the National Disasters Management Authority, that is NDMA. So the National Disasters Management Authority is headed by the Prime Minister of India as a chairperson and will have no more than 9 members, including a vice chairman person or vice chairperson. All the members will have a tenure of 5 years. So the main responsibility of the NDMA is to lay down on policies, plans and guidelines for disaster management to ensure an effective response in the event of any disasters. So this is the main working of the National Disasters Management Authority. Next we are going to see about National Executive Committee. So what is National Executive Committee? So it empowers the central government to create National Executive Committee, that is the NEC, that is the NEC. So the NEC consists of secretary level officers of the government in the home, health, power, financial and agriculture ministers. The NEC is responsible for the preparations of the National Disaster Management Plan for the whole country and to ensure that is the reviewed and updated and annually. Review and updated annually. Next we are going to see about National Disaster Management Authority. So National Disasters Management Authority, that is the SDMA. So the State Disaster Management Authority, SDMA, is responsible for drawing the disasters plan for its respective states, whether any states. So what is the responsibility of SDMA? So to drawing the disaster plan for its respective state. So it consists of the chief minister, who is the chairperson, and 8 member appointed by the chief minister. So the SDMA, that is the State Disaster Management Authority, is mandated under sections 28 to ensure that all the department of the state prepare disaster management plans as prescribed by the national and state authorities. Next we are going to see about District Disaster Management Authority, that is DDMA. So here the chairpersons of the District Disaster Management Authority will be the collector or district magistrate or deputy commissioner of the district to know what role the National Disaster Management Plan plays in disaster mitigations of India. Visit the linked article. So this is the working of the DDMA. Next we are going to see about National Disaster Response Force, that is NDRF. So the National Disaster Response Force is tasked with responding to the threatening disasters or a situation similar to it The NDRF is led by a Director General appointed by the central government. So NDRF has played a major role in rescuing peoples from many disaster related events in the past, such as the, for example, Kashmir floods during the year 2014 and the Kerala floods 2018. So these are all comes under the National Disaster Response Force. Thank you. We can discuss the next topic in next video.